So we're gonna end up changing the transmission fluid. This is a manual transmission. I went ahead and bought 3 quarts of manual transmission fluid from Honda. It's pretty cheap actually, considering how much they try and screw you over on prices, like 7 something a quart. So we got 3. The dude said it should only take like almost 2 quarts. But anyways, alright, so what you're gonna need is just a ratchet, 3/4 inch drive ratchet for your drain plug. Just gonna stick it in there. And you're gonna need a 17 millimeter socket for your filler plug up here. And what I'm gonna do is we're going to go ahead and take that filler plug off first. Crack it. Get it on there. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright. Now they say, check it whenever you pull it on a level surface. It should just like slowly leak out of it. And that would be your, like that. But I'm not quite on a level surface either, so it's jacked up. But the reason I did that is so whenever I pull out this drain plug, it just kind of helps it flow so much better. Now, then you just take your ratchet, stick it in there. Oh, fuck. That fucker was on there. Alright. And you just, do the same thing as like you're going to do oil. Just put pressure on it. Doesn't look like you got an O-ring or anything. And thing came out, man. Looks pretty clean, actually. Oh, looks like we got a little cleanup. Smells a little funky.
I was gonna say it smells like cat piss.
Yeah. But anyways, the Honda Civic manual itself that came with the car, whenever you buy a new car or whatever, it comes with that fucking manual. It actually says in the manual, because it's so old, I guess before Honda probably came up with that manual transmission fluid, I don't know. But anyways, it says you can go ahead and put like, your SAE, your fucking standard 10W30 oil in there, man. I don't know if that's just like, a temporary deal or
in case of emergency.
In case of emergency, you can't get to a dealership or whatever. But since I was kind of being anal about my transmission, I just decided to go ahead and get the good stuff. We'll see how it works. I don't know. Hopefully we're fucking, chirping gears and burning tires. Actually not. not in this thing. Yeah. Just do the same thing. Just go ahead and clean up your little area. Looks pretty clean, actually. And then while you're down here also, you could get to see where all your oil leaks and stuff are. But since it looked like it was pretty full, you know what I'm saying? Like it had a good bit, so I don't know where those oil leaks were coming from, if it was actually coming from this transmission or the VTEC solenoid that was leaking earlier, that I should have did a video on, but I'm impatient on that. So anyways, I'm hoping that's where it was coming from all the way down here. But But also, like I said, while you're down here, you can check your boots. Like, you can check that out front. Look at that. That's what happens right there. Cracked wide open. See? That needs to be changed. Which that'll get changed later. That'll be another video. Alright. Now you just clean off your area. You don't want any kind of shit to get in to your transmission. Make sure that's all clean. Oh crap. Still want to review that girl's bike there. That'd be nice. She was there today too, dude.
Was she?
Yeah. Looking all good. She'd be wearing that makeup now. Oh, look, there's the fucking ring. You see that? See, that's what I'm saying. You gotta watch for it. Stuff like that. That thing was on there. So, you know, just, yeah, they get stuck, you know? That's what you wanna, I mean, it may have not mattered since it, you know, I'm just gonna screw it back on there anyway, but, you know, you just want to try and look for that because they're supposed to have this washer, you know, and if it doesn't, then you need to find it. Or if it doesn't, maybe that's why it's leaking. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright. Clean up your area. I hope this satisfies y'all niche for longer videos. Just saying. We'll do a little drive too. Once we get the wall in her. Figure out what's going on. Alright, let's see. Now it also fucking says, you know, to put this on with so many torque pounds. Which, I didn't bring my manual, so I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, you know, as tight as you can. You know, just hand tight, and then you can just check it out later. Go ahead and clean your bolt up, the drain plug bolt. It'll actually look really good. I'm actually really surprised. It was an old dude I bought this from. I don't think he really drove it too hard. I mean, I got a lot of the service records from him, but it was like stupid shit like spark plugs and, you know, like it seemed like the major stuff he didn't really fuck with as much. But for some of the dumb shit like air filter and fucking spark plugs, like, come on, man. Like, what the fuck? And they charged him like $200, dude. You're fucking crazy, bro.
Got ripped out.
Alright. Then, you know, put you a little bit of that oil on there. No, I mean, some people may not do this, but I do it. It helps to thread it and to get you a good seal on there. This is what I do. That's what I do anyway. A little bit of crunching in there. That's always nice.
All that sand.
Yeah. Well, sand and probably fucking metal shavings from the transmission itself. Alright. And you just stick your ratchet on there. And ahead and torque her on down. Alright.
That sound means you're done.
When you're about to crap yourself. Alright, now that we got that, what we're going to do is lower the car back down off the jack stands. And then we'll fill it up with transmission oil. I got this little, I don't know, fancy fucking thing. Oh, we'll see how it goes. And then, yeah, and then, you know, should be good to go.